Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see for loop in Python. Let's create a Python file with a name. Any name is fine. For underscore loop. Okay. So let's take a list or a string or a tuple or a set. So all these kinds have an iterable object which by default helps to iterate. Okay, when you use this in an for loop, the iterable object will be called, and you will get each element in a list or in a set or in a tuple or in a string also. So let's see each of them. I'm trying to be distinct from each of these. Like suppose Python. So here we have a string, we have a list, tuple, and a set. So let's iterate through each of them and let's print all the elements. For x in a print x. This is the simple and easiest way to write a for loop in Python. So you have to create a local variable and you have to call the iterable object. Here a is the iterable object, x is the iterator, all the elements which are getting accessed from a will be assigned to x and you can use the x. So for b in, for y in b print y, for z in c print z, for w in d print w. Let's save and run the program. See, so we haven't got any error, and everything exit code is 0. That means we haven't got any error. Let's go to the top of the execution and see. QWERTY, QWERTY. The first one is printed, and the next 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. The list is printed. The next A B C D E, A B C D E. The tuple is printed. And next NTY, NTPY, because the set is not indexed and the elements in the set can change. But the elements in the set should be unique. That is a basic concept of set. That's why it's not in an order. It got printed as NTPY. So this is a basic like program to explain a for loop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and